Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to hide and lock private photos in iPhone. So first go to photos. Select the photos or videos which you want to hide. Tap on select and select it. Tap on three horizontal dots. Tap on hide. Now check hidden folder. Go to albums. Now you'll see a hidden folder. Tap on it. It's locked by default, unlock with Face ID, and you can see that all the photos which you hide are there. Now how to completely hide the folder? So first go to settings, scroll down and tap on photos. From here you'll see an option show hidden album. Turn it off, turn this option off. If you go to photos, you'll find that there is no album called as hidden photo, there is no album named as hidden photos. Now if you want to unhide it, go back to settings again and turn it on, turn the show hidden album on. Now as you can see, if you go to photos, you'll find hidden album. From here, if you want to unhide these photos, tap on select the photos, tap on three horizontal dots, tap on unhide, and the photos are unhide. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.